In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys exactly what the lever positions do when it comes to cutting your own hair. Now I've got here two different types of clippers. I've got my $40 Chemi clippers and my really expensive Babyliss FX Pro clippers, all right? Now there's a few differences between the two, and you'll notice them right away with just the levers alone, okay? The Babyliss clipper has notches in the lever. The Chemi clipper does not have any notches. And so if I show you right now, you guys can see that the Babyliss clipper here has these little notches right in here. So if I move the lever, you hear it click, right? And so the Babyliss clippers have 5 different notches for the lever. So this is lever closed, this right here is lever halfway, and this right here is lever fully open. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now when you look at the Chemi clippers, you notice that, well, because they're cheaper, they're most likely not going to have notches right here. So you've got this lever, and you kind of have to just eyeball where the lever halfway is whenever you're going in and fading. So this right here is lever closed, right? Lever closed is when you have the blade, the back blade, really close to the cutting blade. And when you open it, you'll notice how the back blade extends, right? And it cuts less hair, leaving your hair a little bit longer, right? So this leaves your hair longer, and this leaves your hair shorter, right? And then you would have to figure out where's the halfway position in between, right? This is lever open. This right here is roughly halfway, right? Right here is roughly halfway. If you look at the blades, and then closed is right here. And just so you guys can see the same exact thing on the Babyliss clippers, this right here is lever closed, and I'm looking at the blades. So the back blade is as close to the cutting blades as possible. When I open the lever all the way, you notice how the back blade extends. So I close it, I open it. I close it, and I open it, right? Lever is open, lever's closed. So depending on the type of clipper, the lever closed position to the lever all the way open position is about 1.5 millimeters, right? That's about an average. Some clippers are a little bit different, but for the most part, you're looking at about a 1.5 millimeter gap between when the lever is open and the lever is closed, okay? And when you're looking at your self haircut and you're cutting your own hair, 1.5 millimeters, this much, is enough to leave a very hard, harsh line, so that if you're putting in a guideline, you're gonna notice the difference between the light colored here and the dark colored up here. So you're gonna have to use the lever, you're gonna have to adjust the lever on the clipper to remove that hard line, so that the coloring, right, so that the blend is much more gradient and it's not so harsh from light to dark. So I'm always gonna go in for the guidelines using the lever open. Always. You will always see me use the lever open for all of my guidelines, except for when I do a very specific haircut where I use the no guard lever closed for the first guideline, right? If I don't want to use my trimmers and make a really short haircut, I'll just go in no guard lever closed, and then I'll fade that in using the lever open and the lever halfway, right? So that's the only time you will ever see me put in a guideline with the lever closed, is when it's no guard lever closed. Otherwise, when I'm putting in, let's say, the 1 guard, the 2 guard, or the 3 guard, they're always going to be lever open, right? So every guideline is lever open, right? So I want you just to ingrain that in your head. The guidelines should always be lever open. If you were to put a box right here and label it guidelines, lever is open, okay? Now let's put another box right here. Let's label it fade. This box is where you will start to use lever halfway or lever closed, or both lever halfway and lever closed. All right, so guidelines is lever open, fading is lever halfway and closed. And now really quick, if you might be wondering, well, Alex, which one is better? Is the Babyliss one with the notches better than the Chemi one without the notches, right? Is it worth spending the extra $100+ to get the notches, to get the clipper with the notches? Or should I just get the Chemi, right? And honestly, I don't think the notches on the Babyliss really do too much in my opinion, right? The biggest thing when it comes to the lever is just making sure that when it's in, let's say, the halfway position, that it doesn't move by accident, right? That's the whole reason why the Babyliss clipper has notches in general, because I know when I'm cutting my hair, nothing is going to move the lever, right? Because that's all I really want, is to make sure that the lever isn't moving. So that's why the notches are good. But if you've got the Chemi clippers like these, I know for a fact when it's enclosed, it's not moving. Like no matter how much I shake the clipper, right? I can also tighten it using this screw right here. You see how there's a screw on the inside of the lever right here? I can always tighten that, and that'll make the lever much more rigid, and it's not going to be as loose to move, all right? So it's going to be a lot easier to know in your mind that when I'm cutting, I don't have to worry about when I'm shaking the clipper going up and cutting that the lever's moving, right? It's not going to. So just make sure you just use this screw and you tighten it with a screwdriver so that it's nice and tight, but not tight enough to the point where you obviously can't move it. So to answer your question, are the notches better than having no notches? Yeah, they are, but does it really matter at the end of the day? Not really, because I can just tighten them using the screw here, and then I'll have peace of mind knowing that the lever is not going to move while I'm moving the clippers and cutting my hair. And so that is the clipper lever positions explained, and just a little gist of how I utilize the lever when I'm putting in guidelines and when I'm fading in those guidelines.